Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sri's Easy Solutions. Please share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Please follow my videos like order, first introduction and then part 1, part 2 and so on. Here I am going to solve examples based on averages. In that, when a person is included or excluded from the group, at the time we had to find age or weight of those persons. The question is, the average age of 36 students in a group is 14 years. When teacher's age is included to it, the average increased by 1. What is the teacher's age? Here we had to find teacher's age. Teacher's age equal to, see here friends, first 36 students are there and 14 years average. 36 students, their average is equal to 14 years. When a teacher is added, their average becomes increased by 1. So average becomes 15. So the 37 people's average is 15 years. Here 37 into 15 minus, see friends, this is the total age of students plus teacher minus total age of students. How many students are there? 36 into 14. This is the total age of only student. When we subtract this total age of students from total age of students plus teacher, then we get teacher's age. 37 into 15, 555 minus 36 into 14, 504. This is equal to 51 years is the answer. The teacher's age is 51 years. Option C is the answer. Here, friends, no need to write all these things in the exam. We have one tricky method. What is that is, the tricky method is, when the teacher is included to it, the average becomes increased by 1. So the average of the teacher plus students is 15 years. 15 means this is include the teacher's age also included 15. So 15 plus, when the teacher's age is included to it, the average is increased by 1. So from the teacher's age, she is distributed 1 year to the 36 students. So that is 36 into 1. This is the very important step to solve this question. Here 36 plus 15 equal to 51 is the answer. Option C is the answer. No need to do all these things. The teacher is included to the students, the average becomes 15. If the teacher is included, the total students average also increased by 1. Average means equally distributed among all the persons. So her age is equally distributed 1 year to 36 students. So 36 into 1. This is the answer for this question. Coming to the next question. The average age of 29 students and a teacher in a class is 11 years. If the age of the teacher is excluded, the average age of the class is reduced by 1. What is the age of the teacher? In the previous video, the teacher is included to that group. But here, teacher is excluded from that group. Here, how many people are there? Total 29 plus 1. 1 is the teacher. 29 students and teacher. So, 30 people's average is 11 years. So, first tricky method is, the age of the teacher is 11 years plus When she is excluded from that group, the average is reduced by 1. So, from her age, she is given 1 year to all the students. So, 1 into 29. This will equal to 40. 40 years is the answer. Coming to the traditional method. Teacher's age is equal to, here 30 into 11. This is the total age of students plus teacher. 29 students and 1 teacher minus 29 students into 11 minus 1. Why this is? If the teacher is excluded from the group. So, 30 becomes 29. Average becomes 10. 330 minus 290 is equal to 40. 40 years is the answer. So friends, in traditional method also we get 40. In tricky method also we get 40. So in the exam no need to write all these things. Go through solve these type of problems by using tricky method only to save your time. Coming to the next model. This is the model to find out the current average. The given question is, the mean of 50 observations was 36. It was found later that an observation 48 was wrongly taken as 23. The correct and new mean is, here mean means average. In the given question, they have 50 observations. There are 50 observations. That the average of 50 observations is 36. From that 50 observations, one of the observation value is 48, but they are taken wrongly as 23. Sorry. Wrong number is 23. In the place of 48, they are taken 23. So if the one number is wrong, the average also wrong average. We have to find correct average. Here one formula is there for correct average. Correct average equal to wrong average plus or minus difference divided by total number of observations. Here, see here, what is the wrong average here? 36. Difference, what is the difference? See here, 20, in the place of 48, they are taken 23. So, how much added to 23? We get 48. 48 minus 23 is equal to 25. There are 25. We have to add 25 to 23. We get 48. Then we get correct average and correct value here. So, what is the difference? 25. We had to add 23 to 25 plus 25. Total number of observations are 50. 25 divided by 2. So, 36.5 is the answer. Option C is the answer. When we are taken minus means, the value is greater than the actual value. If suppose this is 98, at the time we had take minus 36 minus 98 minus 48 divided by 50. This equal to 35 is the answer. When we are taken minus is, if the wrong value is greater than the actual value, at the time we have to subtract this difference from